Unraveling the mystery. What is a hair tie? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to dive into a common but sometimes confusing term in English, hair tie. Whether you're at the gym, at work, or just hanging out at home, you've probably seen or used one of these. But what does this term really mean? Especially for those who are learning English as a second language. Let's find out together. A hair tie is a small band made of elastic or other stretchable material. It is used to hold someone's hair in place, preventing it from falling into the face or getting in the way. People with longer hair often use hair ties to create hairstyles such as ponytails, buns, or braids. There are various types of hair ties available in the market, each serving a different purpose. Some of the most common types include elastic bands. These are the most basic form of hair ties, made from a simple loop of elastic. They are cheap and widely available. Scrunchies. These are elastic bands covered with fabric, making them gentler on the hair. They come in various colors and patterns. Spiral hair ties. These have a spiral shape that helps to grip the hair without being too tight. They also tend to leave less of a crease in the hair. Silicone bands. These are relatively new and have a grippy surface to hold the hair in place without sliding. Using a hair tie is quite simple. 1. Gather your hair into the desired position. 2. Stretch the hair tie with both hands. 3. Wrap the hair tie around your hair until it feels secure. 4. Make sure it's not too tight to avoid damaging your hair or causing headaches. Here are some tips to help you choose and use hair ties effectively. Look for hair ties without metal clasps, as these can snag and damage your hair. Choose a hair tie that is tight enough to hold your hair, but not so tight that it causes pain. If you have thicker hair, look for thicker or larger hair ties. Remember to regularly replace your hair ties as they lose their elasticity over time. And that's everything you need to know about hair ties. We hope this video has been informative and helpful, especially for those of you learning English. Remember, the right hair tie can make a big difference in your comfort and style. Until next time, happy learning and stay stylish.